Hello students, welcome back in our second standard math session. Students, as we know, we have completed chapter number 10, time, in our textbook. Now it's time of notebook. You have to write whatever I'm giving now onwards in your notebook. So students, as I told you, there are many fill in the blanks in chapter 10. So you take a pencil in your hand, open your notebook, write chapter number 10, time, write today's date 23/3/2021. Question number 1, write, fill in the blanks. Let us start, students. First, fill in the blanks. We use a clock to tell the time. The clock tells us time. So we are using clock to tell the time. Next one, second. The shorthand is called the hour hand. HOUR. Shorthand is called hour hand. And the long hand is called the minute hand. So do not forget the spellings, learn it very properly. MINUT, minute hand. Third one, the clock has numbers from dash written on its face. So numbers are from 1 to 12. Write down 1 to 12 written on its face. Number 4, the hour hand moves from one place or one number to the next number in dash hour. So we are knowing the clock. So the hour hand moves from one number to the next number, hour hand. It takes full 1 hour to complete this much distance from 4 to 5. So it takes 1 hour. So we'll write here answer. The hour hand moves from one number to the next number in 1 hour. Next one, fifth one. The minute hand moves from one number to the next number in dash minute. So see students, minute hand is this. It moves from this number to this number in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 minutes. So we'll write here fifth one's answer. The minute hand moves from one number to the next number in 5 minutes. Next one. The dial of the clock is divided into dash small divisions. So you are knowing this is the dial of the clock, and these small divisions, how many are there? These small divisions are 60. So the dial of the clock is divided into 60 small divisions. Write down 60. Next one, the minute hand takes dash minutes to complete one round from the dial. So see students, the minute hand, it takes how many minutes to complete one round? So total 60 minutes. So the minute hand takes 60 minutes to complete one round of the dial. Next one, 1 hour is equal to dash minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, as we know. Then half an hour is equal to, you have to half it. Half of 60 is 30. So half an hour is equal to 30 minutes. There are dash days in a week. You are knowing Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like this way till Saturday there are 7 days. So there are 7 days in a week. Dash is the first day and dash is the last day of the week. As we know, Monday is our working first day. Monday. And we are telling Sunday as a weekend. So Sunday. Sunday is our last day of the week. Next one, there are dash months in a year. So there are total January, February, like this way 12 months are there. How many? 12 months. Now next one, dash is the first month and dash is the last month of the year. So as we know, January is our first month. So right, January is the first month and December is the December. December is our last month of the year. Now February has dash days. As we know, February month is having 28 or 29 days. So you have to write 28 or 29. Next one, an ordinary year has dash days. Ordinary means regular year. It is having 365 days. And a leap year has dash day, means one day is increased in February month. So a leap year has 366 days. Next, leap year comes after dash years. So every time one day, if you will increase, then after 4 years one leap year is coming. So more about it you will learn in the next year in third standard. Next one, 10th month of the year is, so as you count from January, our 10th month is October. So write OCTOBER, October. OCTOBER, October. Next one, Thursday comes between dash and dash. So Thursday before which day is there? Wednesday. So WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. And then Thursday, and Thursday after there comes Friday. These are the names of the days. So first letter you have to write as a capital. Now the last fill in the blank. Schools remain closed on dash. So when school are remaining closed? Yes, it is on Sunday. So SUNDAY, Sunday, schools are remaining closed. So like this way you have to complete your fill in the blanks in your notebook. Till the next session, bye bye students.